Spune la Google.
Google!
Trebuie să zici, hei.
Hey Google! Pune-se next music.
Gata, hai, dacă puteți să mergem.
Nu.
Merge jos.
Merge până la foc.
Mami, dar nu mai vreau să stau.
Așa.
Hai, pune muzică.
Hey Google, play some music.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
Dansează.
Hai. Asta e muzică de Halloween. Hai.
28th. A lovely morning it was after the rain, clear, crisp, and there was heavy dew. In the air there was slight fragrance of wood smoke, of grass, and of that peculiar odour that freshly washed leaves have. There were sharp shadows of depth and lightness, and the sky, so early in the morning, was already intensely blue. There was peace in the air in spite of poverty, squalor, and the cunning hand of the politician. It was a morning that enticed you away, that took you into the heart of things where beauty was untouched, where affection was always young. It was a morning in which meditation expanded beyond the borders of time, in which goodness flowered and thought was silent. Every little thing was so intensely alive with that strange beauty the common things have. Your eyes were sharpened, and you saw the skinny dark leaf of the rose, and it was the leaf of every tree and bush. You listened to the birds, and it was the voice of the earth, and meditation was not some fanciful flight into some illusory vision, but the seeing of the fact, and going beyond it into regions of death and love, for these two are inseparable. Death is destruction, final and absolute, and so is love. Love isn't the tame domesticated thing of man, made respectable by thought, seasoned in tradition. It is new, dangerous, and not the thing of thought. It is a flame that leaves no ashes of memory, of self-pity. As you cannot argue with death, you cannot entice it into the dark corners of the mind. They are always together, waiting, watching, welcoming. You will know them when meditation opens the door of time. With the burden of time you cannot come to it. You must destroy it. The past must be wiped away. It is wiped away when you see without the screen of tradition, without knowledge. The eyes must be young and far away to see, and then the inseparable are there. And then there is something beyond and above them that includes them both. But on a morning like this, the yellow bamboo leaves and the dark leaves of a tall tree intimate the beauty that is besides them. The parrots were screeching across the sky. They never flew straight, but from side to side, and they were flying fast, streaks of green light. Then a couple of crows came to settle on the little lawn, still heavy with dew. They seemed to be cleaning their claws and beaks in it, and their black bodies were spilling light. There is a little pool of rainwater on the path beside the lawn. It was full of light and mischief, and as you saw it, it was the sky and the earth, the measurable and the immeasurable, and the two never came together. The brain is sharpened and made highly sensitive when it is utterly still. You cannot make it still. If you do, you will make it dull and shape it to the pattern of knowledge. It is only in freedom that it can be still to flower. But resistance and desire can only breed conflict, which wears it away, giving it age and weight. When the brain is utterly still, then attention, in which alone goodness can flower, is that explosive energy that carries the mind to that which is beyond all measure.